Plug in the power cord and power on the printer. Tap Repair Z homing and wait for the printer to home Z-axis. Tighten the 4 nuts securing the heated bed. Tap 30mm Z down to lower the building plate to the bottom. Power off the printer and unplug the power cord. Tilt the printer onto its side. Remove the Z-axis timing belt. Open the front door and manually push the building plate to the bottom. Prepare for M4E30 screws to fasten the heated bed. Remove back panel, unscrew 13 screws. Cut yellow glue on Z motor wiring with nippers and unplug the wires. Unscrew for fixing screws of Z motor and take off the motor. Install the new motor. Tighten for fixing screws of the motor. Plug in Z motor wiring. Install back panel, tighten 13 screws. Install the axis belt. Pay attention to belt routing. Close the front door and set the printer upright. Unscrew the 4M4E30 screws, fastening the heated bed. Plug in the power cord and power on the printer. Tap Repair Z homing and wait for the printer to home Z-axis. Adjust the tension of the Z-axis timing belt. mm Z up, 1 mm Z down to bring the nozzle into contact with the building plate. Tap off to unlock the extruder. Place a sheet of A4 paper. Move the extruder to the 4 corners in sequence, and adjust the nuts below to achieve slight friction between the nozzle and the A4 paper. Adjust multiple times if necessary. Tap Calibration. Select All and tap Start again. Wait for the printer calibration to complete.
Enter the Wiki official website to find more information.